Hello there, welcome back to Woodworker Express. In this video, I will be showing you how to install the EquiLine puck lights and how to connect all of the wiring. Available in a nickel or a black finish, the EquiLine LED puck lights are a perfect economical choice for lighting up your cabinetry. Now for installing these lights, I prefer a recessed flush install. And for this you will need a 2 1/4 inch hole saw attached to a drill. You can also purchase a surface mount separately for these puck lights. Now once the hole is made in your cabinetry, you're ready to feed the wires through the hole. Now, keeping even pressure around the puck, firmly push it in. I like to use my palm. Seems to work out pretty well. And easy as that. Man, that looks clean. Now let's talk about the wiring involved for lighting this LED up. There are many different ways to do this, but I'll just share with you a couple. I'm using the 60-watt Tresco power supply with the 6-port terminal that it came with, along with an inline toggle on-off switch. If I wanted to turn off each light separately and individually, I would put my inline switch on the 6-port terminal, then I would connect my puck light. But if I wanted my one toggle switch to control all of my lights together, I would connect the switch in between my power supply and the 6-port terminal, as you see here. The best part is all the connections only go on one way, so you can't make a mistake. As you can see, these lights are available in 2 different color options. Cool, which is the one on the right, and warm, the one on your left. As always, thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments you might have down below, and we are always here and happy to help. More Tresco lighting videos are right here. Go ahead, click on it, I dare ya.